Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold drop 0.8% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the oil rise 0.5% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Saudi Arabian state oil producer Aramco said on Sunday its third-quarter net profit more than doubled, boosted by higher crude oil prices and volume sold, beating analysts' forecasts. UK high street banks have started raising mortgage costs ahead of the Bank of England's interest rate decision next week, amid signs of resurgent inflation. The euro fell 0.6% just one day after having booked its biggest daily percentage gain in 5 months. Volatility in the foreign exchange and the interest rate markets has increased as they tried to digest central bank actions.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes will be released at 23:50 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. The U.S. Market Manufacturing PMI at 13:45 GMT. The U.S. ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 1400 GMT. The U.K.'s Market Manufacturing PMI at 0930 GMT. Germany's retail sales at 0700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.